Hi friends, we're going to start tackling the purple belt here with Old MacDonald Had a Farm. We're going to get started with the counting. We first want to note here that we have 4/4 time signature. That means there's 4 beats in a measure and the quarter note gets 1 beat. So let's write the counting in. Here we go. Let's start out. Our first measure does have 4 quarter notes in it, so that's pretty straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Each quarter note gets 1 beat. Then in this next measure, we have 1, 2, and beats 3 and 4 happen on that half note. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 and 2. Now we have here a quarter note rest. And if you look down here at the bottom, they show you what it looks like and they tell you what happens. You get 1 beat of silence. So the beat goes by, but you don't make sound. You don't play your instrument during that. So we're going to put 3. When you get to this beat when you're playing, you can either just wait and count it in your head, or if you're having trouble making sure that you count it in your head, you're taking too long, too short, you can actually say rest or 3 or whatever on top of that. And then we have this one. It kind of looks like the ink didn't quite make it very dark. This is beat 4. It's a quarter note. It kind of looks like it's hollowed out in the middle, at least on my picture. Then we come down here to the next line. We have beat 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty straightforward. 1, 2. Beats 3 and 4 happen there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Beats 1 and 2 because he's a half note, so he gets 2 beats. Then we have our beat 3 is a rest. And then we have eighth notes. If you remember from the last belt, we're going to put a 4 here. And this eighth note that makes up the second half of beat 4 gets an and, so 4 and. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and, right? Because he's an eighth note. When you bar them together like that, then the second one gets the and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Yeah, then we come down to the bottom line, straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have here a dotted half note. Once again, down at the bottom of the page, we have the dotted half note equals 3 beats. Because, and this is important, a lot of teachers don't bother teaching this. They just tell you dotted half note gets 3 beats, dotted half note gets 3 beats. But a dot after a note gets half of the value of that note and makes it that much longer. So I come over here, I have a half note with a dot after it. A half note gets 1 beat, right? 1 beat here. A half note gets 2 beats. Sorry, whoa, what am I talking about? Hope you caught that. Half note gets 2 beats on its own. 1/2 of 2 is 1, and so we're going to add to that for this dot. So together it gets 3, right? That's an equal sign, not a Z, I'm sorry. So yes, so the half note itself gets 2 beats, and the dot gets half of the value of the half note, which in this case is 1. Half of 2 is 1. And we add those together, and you get 3 beats. So we're going to put beats 1, 2, and 3 here, and then this last beat, as on the rest, is beat 4. Hope that clears things up. Hope that was easy to follow. Next video, we're going to tackle tizzling.